I've worked in about 12 different hospitals in my career. I've consulted across dozens of more hospitals, so I've seen nurses across many, many parts of the nation. And I can honestly say that the MUSC nurses are the absolute best. Why? Well, personally, I've worked with you, and I know that many of you give great care. I've seen that at a personal level. But I've also seen what you do every day. We take care of the toughest patients, the sickest, the most complicated at MUSC, and you step up and you do that with compassion and evidence and everything that goes into nursing. I know you are the best. I've seen it.
I started my career out as a paramedic for 10 years. And during that time, I got to meet a lot of people. However, I was caring for them many times at the worst points of their life. Nursing enabled me the opportunity to help people get better and witness an improvement in their quality of life and care.
I became a nurse because as a 16-year-old going to work, I was inspired by the patient care technicians. I really enjoyed the ability to help and care for people, and also the joy that I felt when the patients were able to go home.
Nurses play a critical and important role in the hospital. They probably have the most essential and critical component of the healthcare delivery to the patient. And I still remember when I was an intern, there's always certain nurses that would always be the person to go to ask questions when you didn't know the answer. Nurses have always been there to assist in every step throughout my training, and they have continued to do so throughout my time here at the Medical University of South Carolina.
I wanted to become a nurse because at a young age, I'm always fascinated with human anatomy. At the same time, my mom is a nurse, so I kind of look up to her.
To have people open up and to trust you at a time in their lives when they're going through very, very, very difficult times, and to know that that they rely on you, they depend on you, and that you're there for them, it's just a wonderful feeling. My mother was a nurse. She was an RN for nearly 45 years. Started over in London, England, before coming to America and becoming a nurse, and she had always told me that I should be a nurse. This was actually the furthest thing from my mind, but I'm enjoying the experience.
Congratulations to all our nurses on Nurses Week. You know that we, as physicians that work in the institution, can't work without y'all. The commitment and professionalism of our nurses is exemplary here, and has always been like that throughout the years. So we thank you for everything that you do for us and for our patients.